Stop right there. What if I told you a 1-cent coin could be worth $4,255? Most people would never believe it, and most people would spend it without a second thought. But some 1978 pennies are not ordinary at all. The Philadelphia Mint struck over 5.5 billion Lincoln cents in 1978, consuming approximately 15,758 metric tons of copper. The Philadelphia Mint struck over 5.5 billion Lincoln cents in 1978, consuming approximately 15,758 metric tons of copper. That's billions of coins, but only a small number are actually worth more than face value. It should be noted, however, that the West Point facility also struck roughly 1.5 billion of these coins, and there is no way to distinguish between the two sources. Combined, this represented about 56.5% of the total Lincoln cent mintage for 1978, with the remainder produced by the Denver Mint. Despite being an increase of over 1.1 billion coins from the previous year, this was still only a slightly above average mintage for the Philadelphia Mint. Hey coin collectors, welcome back to COİN. Today we're looking at 1978 Lincoln cents and why some of them can be worth real money. This visual collector's guide is based on an article published by COINweek. Hit that subscribe button and let's dive in. Coins from this mintage generally display sharp, clean details, in part because the Mint introduced a new reverse hub in 1978. That small change created a big difference for collectors. Interestingly, effective June 7, 1978, the United States Treasury Department lifted the ban on melting and exporting US cents, originally imposed in 1974 due to rising copper prices, which means these coins became even more interesting for collectors over time. One of the best ways to find high-grade 1978 Lincoln cents today is by searching through original yearly mint sets. These sets were originally sold for just $7, which is about $31.80 adjusted for inflation. Today, the US Mint released approximately 2.16 million mint sets in 1978, and many of them are still available for collectors. Even today, these sets can be found for around $7 to $10. But here's where it gets interesting. MS-66 examples are already somewhat difficult to find. Collectors often need experience and patience to go through many rolls just to find one. But once you reach M-Numismatics, these coins are considered problem-free, registry-quality examples. They are extremely rare and usually only found in unopened mint rolls or old collections. And now, the value starts to climb. MS-67 plus red coins can sell for around $130 to $140. Just a half-grade difference can increase the value by over $100. That alone shows how sensitive and rare top-grade coins really are. But then there are the outliers. One MS-67 plus red example sold for an incredible $4,255 at a heritage auction sale in 2014. Another similar coin sold for $3,819. That's thousands of dollars for something most people would ignore in pocket change. These results are roughly 500% higher than normal market prices. The MS-68 red 1978 Lincoln cent. As of today, only one example has ever been certified, just one coin in the entire world, and none are finer. So next time you see a 1978 penny, don't ignore it. It could be worth far more than you think. Thanks for watching COIN. Subscribe for more rare coin discoveries. Bye.